Let's see. Yeah. This is a 6K, ASSA 6K, but with trees. Some really pretty old style trees instead of gins or barrels. So, and we will see those in just a second. That's the Jimmy tensioner. There it is. Wonderful. All right, let's take a look at these pens. They are so pretty. I need that. I need that. All right, we'll just take these at the top here. So hopefully you can keep seeing this. Yeah, you can see that. This was lent to me, this unicorn of a lock was lent to me by Set Clues. Don't bother him for it. He's a very generous person. He's been really awesome. I've got to pick so many amazing, fun locks because of him. Because of them. Yeah, I'll just take that, whatever. I like that one spring in there to hold the Bible cover. So it doesn't slide around too much, but let's go for it. All right, here we are. Let's see. I'll take them this way. As you can see, this first one is actually a gin because it's too low of a lift to here. It's too low of a lift to have a tree do anything. So they just throw a regular gin in there, or they're probably an old style gin. Set Clues would know better. Here's one of these old style trees. See that? We'll get closer to those hopefully in a little bit. It sure looks different from the normal trees that I see in like the ASSA 700s and other 6Ks, but I could be wrong. Set Clues will know better. Okay, that's number 2. Number 3 is just another tree. So pretty. Even hangs up there. They do a really good job. Okay, with this lock, here's another gin. Yeah, I'm not going for belt, but it's nice to show the orientation. So with this one, I had to, I got everything up into, up into the first kind of set of things, be it a kind of like the tree area of the spool of the tree, or the, or in the gin of the gin part. And then I had to work on the sidebar, which was pretty tricky. It's not the worst sidebar I've ever picked, 6K sidebar I've ever picked, but it definitely ping ponged, especially on the even when I got better at it, even the back 2 and 3 ping ponged a lot. So there's kind of a lower lift. You can see here, there's a lower lift right here, which I think must be a 2. So that goes back to, and that one I like to ping pong quite a bit. All right, let me grab this key. Everything's out of there. Wonderful. Yeah. Get the sidebar off here. And springs. I'll put them right there. This is a rev tray, which is pretty nice. This tray is actually designed by Reverend off of LPU, or at least, yeah, it was designed by Rev on LPU, and it largely designed for combis, but it does really good for most twin stuff. It just has the appropriate, all the right spots and nice places to set your side pins and your side pin springs. It's the right numbers of things, so it's kind of neat, kind of purpose made here. Right. And there we are. That's everything. Here we are. I haven't really looked at the milling yet. So yeah, here we are. And I went this way. It definitely seemed to catch, and it is there. So 3's, no milling. These all have really good milling in there still, going that way. I don't know about this way. Yep, still seems there. Yeah, so that'll be fun going both directions. Pretty good. Awesome. Like that. This probably, it may or may not be the original housing. I don't really know, but it's all in good shape in there. And then I'll show you, yeah, here's just the sidebar. I'm so good at videoing. Yeah, there's a sidebar. Well, looks like it's in good shape still. Well, I am not a connoisseur of, quality control on ASSA sidebars. It must be this way. Yeah, there it is. I think that might be. I'm trying to see that. Actually, yeah, that was just a minimum lift there. Where am I at here? Going this way in the lock. Yeah, I'll have to look at it. And then here's a gen, which I've seen lots of gens. I'd have to compare that to, another one like side by side to see. Same with the trees. I'll grab the biggest tree here so we can see it. And it sure looks a little different in my mind. I should pull one out of my 700 to look at that, but pulling out of a 700, look, those are just beautiful. Just a beautiful, beautiful lock. Once again, Thank you so much, Set Clues. And really an honor to be able to pick this lock. I'll zoom in here for it. And I'll also get a close up. Yeah, there it is. A little bit washed out with my light, but all right, I'll get a little bit closer without any zoom. Get kind of a little better picture for those who are interested. And there it is. I'll pull this up here. There it is. All right. Thank you all so much. Peace.